Let me quickly show you how to make cookies at home with just three ingredients. You won't be needing any oven, you won't be needing any fancy tools, just your three ingredients and your hands. You'll be able to achieve different designs. Hello dearest viewer, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. Here we learn a whole lot of things about baking, a lot of beautiful recipes that you can bake even if it's your first time of baking. Now, this cookies recipe, you don't need to break a bank before you make your favorite cookie, and it tasted so good. You don't have any excuse not to bake that your favorite cookies, because this recipe is cost effective. You're not using any oven and you're not using any tools. Even if it's your first time of making it, you're going to get that perfect cookies after baking. This recipe is tested and trusted, and it's very perfect if you want to use it for commercial purpose. In your bowl, you have to go in with your butter, 250 grams of butter or margarine, anyone you have, and then you go in with your powdered sugar, confectionery sugar, icing sugar, anyone you call it, the powdered one. If you don't have that one, you can also use your normal granulated sugar, the normal one that everybody knows. But for that melting matte feel, you should go in with your powdered icing sugar. So in your bowl, you're going to add the butter, add the sugar, and cream it for some time. Mix it all up till the sugar mixes very well with the butter. So you're going to add in your flour bit by bit. You can add it twice or you can add it three times. It depends on how you can be able to turn it. Then you also go into your flavor. I used vanilla flavor, but you can use any flavor of your choice. You can use butterscotch, you can use milk emulsion, or any other flavor you prefer. It's a thing of choice. Remember that we are not using water for this cookies. So you don't add water. It's your butter that will combine everything together. So once you're done mixing all the ingredients together, you're going to use your hand and gather it together. No water. So you're going to divide it into two, because we are making the chocolate version and the normal color cookies we know. Then you add in your cocoa powder, you add in bit by bit. There's no specific measurement. You just add in bit by bit till you get the shade you want, the shade of chocolate you want. Then you stop. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can use your normal Milo, the one we use for our tea. Yes, add that one bit by bit till you get the desired color. Take the batter to your fridge and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, let it rest in your fridge. It will be easier for you to work with. By the time you bring it out, it must have firmed up a little bit, so easier for you to mold it into your desired shapes. Please help me to hit the subscription button, like this video, drop a comment, and also turn on the notification bell, because I'll be posting more amazing recipes after this particular video. So you don't want to miss any of it. And subscription is absolutely free. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment for me. Like I said in the beginning of video, we are doing freestyling, like we're not using any tools to mold our cookies. So just watch me do it step by step. Also add in your own style. You have cutters at home, you have potato mashers, or any kind of tools you have in the house, you can use it to create your own unique design. But this one here is the design I'm creating. So if you want to replicate what I'm doing, just watch me closely and you're going to get exactly what I did here. My dearest viewer, I like to know where you're watching from. Which country, which state are you watching me from? Can you please drop it in the comment section? I'd like to say hi to you, and if possible do a shout out for you in my next video. So please drop your current location, where are you seeing this video from, in the comment section. These cookies tasted so good after baking. I am not joking. Like, it's that's so nice, melts in the mouth, and has this buttery taste. Yeah. So in case you want to sell cookies, like you want to use it for commercial purpose, feel free to use this recipe. I kid you not, you're going to like it. Whenever you want to practice your own, go ahead and freestyle different design, different. If you want to roll it, so you feel free and roll it, spread it out, use your cutter and cut it. It will still work out very well. Now this is our cookies, and I'm taking it to my local oven. Remember, we're not baking with our oven, so you do not have any excuse not to bake cookies at home, because I used pot and baking pan for this one, and trust me, it came out so perfect. Like, I didn't expect it to come out that way, because it's my first time baking cookies with a local oven, but it sure worked so well and I love it, and I'll be doing it again. So thank you for watching this video up to this point, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a comment for me. Like this video, is your own way of supporting what I do and here. Also drop in the comments for me if you'll be trying out this cookies recipe, and will you be trying it with oven or without oven? Drop your comments in the comment section and I will reply you. Thank you for watching. Please check out other videos on my channel. You will love them. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.